we got here is a busted yoke. Measuring it.
A little bit longer.
Yeah,
Oh, it's quite a bit long.
Well, ideally one cut.
Yeah. A little too short is the saddest thing.
Well, it doesn't have to go right to the edge, but it's nice.
It's nice if it
Okay,
does.
let's make a score right at the
demo.
end of this. Yeah, that's gonna be good enough. Got a fresh piece of wood.
Where did he want it?
Duct tape this together. Okay, now we're gonna bridge it.
This for future yokes?
Okay.
Yeah, it's just hitting these on your side.
So all we'll have to do
So
is
cut it a little bit. Like,
maybe a 1/4 inch.
yeah.
I'll get the pliers. So that wire came in handy from the last strip. Better restock with more wire.
It looks like you guys like MacGyvering things.
Well, you know, generally you have to have enough to fix things.
Yeah, you do. Oh, no,
I think that's good enough, Rebecca.
No, I know. I'm just getting the last bit off.
Okay. Yeah, you pretty well have to be self-sufficient or you'll be slightly screwed.
I couldn't agree more.
Okay, now we just shape this to fit that in. I think about there.
It's
Yeah.
a little bit,
Yeah, it's a little bowed, eh?
yeah.
Okay.
You just fit the
I'm gonna
both
do the
sides,
wire
that's
on
good.
one side, and then we'll prop
Yeah.
up that side. We got some serious wire this time. Okay, you guys hold it in there, and we'll.
If you put it in the right location, I'll hold the middle. Yeah. Nice. My pliers are a bit bigger, is that okay? They're fatter.
They're fatter? Well, that would be good too.
Yeah, I have them. Where'd I put them? Here. They're out. Yeah, okay. Do you see my pliers over there? Are they still out? I got them out. We'll tell you that there they are.
That wire would be better.
Ugh, what the dirt.
No, that's not working. You got yours there, Rebecca? What are these here? Well, those are good, but I mean they're not as wide.
They're tuned needle nosy.
Yeah.
Yeah, my pliers are already out, so
Somewhere?
well, maybe they're under the canoe at this point.
It's
I
gonna
don't
take a
know.
lot of force, so we gotta get this on right.
Can you guys help me look around for my pliers up there already?
No, it's pushing that way there. Now once I get it,
No, you mean a T.
Yes.
No. No, this is pretty strong. This is a thick piece of wood. It's just more about making it work.
it's gonna work. It's gonna work. I've done it before. Coming closer. Yeah, I'm working it. Yeah.
Do you have a drill?
I think we're literally under the canoe.
We could all the
hide
thing
again.
tonight. Hang on,
Yeah.
I'll push it in.
Well, I think we're gonna have to.
Can you twist it? No, we're gonna put another one. We'll have 2 on this side and 2 on that side.
I literally have them on this platform.
Okay.
Right here.
You know the one
And the way there.
here? Yeah, it's so easy to lose stuff.
Put down, I went to saw.
It might be under the boat,
I think they are.
Rebecca.
I really think they are.
Give me that piece. Well, we could tape that eventually. Okay, now we're gonna do that side.
This piece a little springy, so.
Well, we're gonna
Yeah.
let's set it up and then we'll.
Are my pliers there?
I don't see
They're
them.
black.
Nope.
I don't see them.
Where did they go?
Okay, let's just put the boat down.
Or is it this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mission accomplished.
Yeah, those are a little wider.
Yeah. I also have a screwdriver.
Here, do the filming.
Oh, is it
on.
still filming?
Yeah.
Oh, it's on. 7 minutes of filming. Can you repair? Oh boy, I'm gonna get a better view.
Bugs have found us.
Yep.
What time do you have?
Don't have a watch. It's like 11 something. I don't know. I can't really tell when Dad's watch very well.
Oh, good one. That was great, the way it cinched up.
Yeah.
So you found your pliers?
They were.
Oh,
where were they?
using
Sitting on the boat?
Where they left them.
Probably.
Imagine.
Imagine that.
Imagine.
One more twist would be great.
I just don't want to break the wire.
Oh, good point. Good point. Put that under?
2 of them will be fine. And tape.
Put some tape. Yep. Be better than before.
Just enough wire. Well, we have other wire, but.
If we can cinch that a little bit more. Another twist or so. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, tuck it in there.
Okay.
Oh. I'm a little worried about it breaking or the way you were talking about it, yeah. Because it won't. Yeah, we're good.
Once you tape it, it's.
Yeah.
Okay, so where's the duct tape now?
Down there.
No, put that on yet.
Duct
We're
tape
gonna
first.
This thing will have to get taped on.
Yeah, this is gonna be a little sad
Yeah.
in terms
well,
of neck room.
Yep. This is what it is.
But it is what it is.
Yeah, go with it.
Yep.
Okay. Do you think you could twist it a little further here? This one? Well, it's gonna slack or take up the slack when you load
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
It'll
just,
be a bit springy.
it'll be a little bit
We
springy,
should
but
probably put a little bit more tape on this end, just because it's a split end.
yeah, the shear is here, so we got
Yeah.
good stuff here.
We're
going
gonna
on.
have flex through here, right?
Not much.
No.
No, because this is taking the load.
Oh, okay, got
It really is
Yep,
transferring in shear.
Yeah, yep, it is. Yeah.
So I think this is all solid here.
Huh? Yeah.
Could we get a cantilever? I just like cantilever.
Well,
Now we're really engineering it.
it's kind of a beam.
I
but-
hate working with architects. They always want a cantilever.
But I mean, we've created now, this is solid, and this shearing the edges again.
So we're gonna have to tape this on because we
It's
can't.
too long,
it
yeah.
doesn't- Yeah.
Okay.
And this thing really was sliding around before it caused me grief. So
May as well duct tape
Here, I'm
it.
gonna let you do that one.
okay.
Get that little metal bit there. In the boat. Yeah.
I'll take it.
Okay. How do I turn this off? I think we're done. Press this button?
Yep.